Yeah. Now let's see how to create a connection between VS Code with the Snowflake team. Yeah, nowadays VS Code is the most popular IDE software. So people using VS Code for multiple multiple technologies integration. VS Code offers a extension to create a connection between Snowflake with VS Code. Then you can directly write SQL statements from VS Code. So for this one, we have to install VS Code into our machine team. So let's go and open any web browser. I already opened Google Chrome. Let's search VS Code, download. Okay, then click on this first link. If it is Windows, you can click on Windows, then it will start downloading. And once it is downloaded, double click on that downloaded file, then choose all default options. I have already installed VS Code into my machine. So once you downloaded successfully, you can double click on downloaded file, choose all default options. Let me open folder. See here, you can see VS Code exe file. Double click on this exe file, choose all default options and select icon in desktop like this VS Code, or you can search VS Code from search bar. You can double click on this VS Code. It will open a window team. Let me create a connection between Snowflake with VS Code team. For this one, VS Code provides a extension. So we need to add a extension. So here, add Snowflake extension, Snowflake extension or plugin to VS Code. So how to add VS Code extension or plugin to VS Code is, once we open VS Code, left side we can see this button. You can see this button called extensions. Here you can search Snowflake. You can search Snowflake. You can see first link Snowflake. Click on this first link. You see install. Click on install. Installation of Snowflake extension is completed. Okay. Click on this file. Yeah. Now configure Snowflake. How to configure is, once you install plugin extension, you can see Snowflake icon. You can see Snowflake icon in VS Code. Okay. Double click on this Snowflake icon. Okay. It will open a connection details. See here, you can see connection details, connection name, and here go to your Snowflake, click on your username, click on this account, click on view account details, account identifier. Take this account identifier, then enter your account identifier here. Enter your account identifier. Then enter username. Then enter password. Enter password. Then here you can see sign in. Click on sign in. Here select a warehouse. Database name, I'm selecting raw_db, and schema, I'm selecting raw_schema. Then click on, see here, we selected all these details. Let's click on this one, raw_db, raw_schema. You can see tables. This is my table. Let's say this is my table. So here I am creating one. So we have successfully connected here. Then go to environment. Here, see here, I am writing SQL statements to select show databases, show databases. Select this one, control enter. Then show tables. Select this one, control enter. You can see you can click on this plus symbol, Snow SQL. Here you can write SQL files. We already opened it, right? So once we create a connection, once you sign in, here you can see Snow SQL thing. So click on this one. So you can see here prompt below, select Snowflake, select Snowflake. Then here you can see SQL file. Once we click on any database, you can see Snowflake option in below. Here you can see editor team, show SQL. Click on show SQL. Let's remove all these SQL statements. Write your SQL statement. Show databases. Select this one, control enter. Below you can see output. So total databases, these are databases. Then show use raw_db dot raw_schema. Select the schema, control enter, or you can see run button. Then I want to show tables. Show tables in that database. Show tables. You can see these are the tables in that schema. Sorry. These are the tables. These are the tables in that schema. Okay. You can write any SQL query here. Let's say I want to know, select star from EMP4. Select this query, control enter. You can see records of the table. You can write any SQL query from VS Code also. You can create a connection between VS Code. Then you can write any SQL queries using VS Code. Clear writing, how to create a connection between VS Code with Snowflake, then how to write a SQL statements. Then write SQL statements. So this one is clear writing.